Welcome! In front of me I have Redmi Watch 5 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And here you can swipe left and right on the screen to scroll through the list of watch faces. You can find the one you like, and then you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also edit some watch faces, so if you open the watch face menu, you can tap on the edit button under them. And this will allow you to change a couple of things, for example, color. And that's about it for this watch face. And we can tap on the check mark to confirm. And the watch face should be applied with the changes. You can also change the watch face through the settings. So if you press the side button to open the menu, scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it. And here we need to find the watch face option and tap on it. And then tap on change watch face. And you can scroll through the list, find the watch face you like, tap on it to select it and apply it. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to change the watch face. Okay, so let's bring our phone right here, zoom out the camera, so you can see the whole screen of the phone. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Mi Fitness application, this one. And in the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on device icon to open the device page. Here you should see your Redmi Watch 5 Lite, and under it you should see this manage watch faces category. You can tap on all. It will open the online store, and here you can download additional watch faces, so you can find one you like. You can tap on it, tap on apply. It will start installing, and after it's done, it will be applied on your watch. But you can also tap on local right here at the top of the store to open the list of watch faces already installed on your watch. And you can tap on one and tap on apply to change between them quickly, like that. And once you're done, you can close the application, of course. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.